So the first job for today is sorting these tiles out, putting new tiles down in the kitchen. You probably remember from the early videos it was kind of like a black splashback tiles. You can see they're all plaster, I've taken them off. So yeah, job for today, bought some brand new tiles from Wix, a nice sage green colour. So yeah, all about today, getting these tiles on, making it look fantastic for the new tenants. So this is the area we're going to be tiling, so all around here, underneath the kitchen cupboards. There was no tiles here originally. It was just paint. But I bought enough tiles and I'm going to tile to underneath the extract hood there, and obviously all the way underneath there, so it's all nice and neat. And then I've bought a white edging strip that'll go over the top here. These are the tiles. So just like basic entry from Wix, just a nice sage green colour. I think it was £20 for the pack. So something like £16 a square metre. So you can see the box there. So yeah, quite reasonable. I've tiled previous properties with these tiles before and it's come out brilliant. So yeah, I'm going to do the same again. Let's jump into it. And there we have it, probably an hour and a half, 2 hours later. Nearly done this first wall. So initially I was only going to do it like 3 rows high, because that's where the old tiles were. However, I thought it might look better at 4 rows high. So this is the 4th row, but then obviously there would have been that gap there between the bottom of the tile, the top of the tile, sorry, and the cupboard. So I've added a 5th row on. So there's going to be half a tile here and then a full tile here to complete that corner all across. And then I'm going to have to cut this tile to shape, and these ones underneath here as well. And then the corner bead is going to go across the top and down there and make it all nice and square. So yeah, obviously a bit messy at the moment. You can see all the tile cement everywhere. And for those that are interested, these are 2mm tile spaces, so you put them between each tile that way and that way. And then afterwards, it obviously leads to a bit of a gap, and then you can put your grouting in afterwards. But yeah, you'll definitely see that. That'll be another video for sure. So yeah, just going to cracking on with this. Hopefully get this side done today, and maybe even a bit here as well. But yeah, just going to crack on, see how far I get. So another day of tiling done, and honestly guys, it looks really good in my opinion. Not a professional tiler whatsoever, but overall not a bad job. So you can see I put the corner strips in there, so that's nice and neat. All this wall that needs missing is obviously the white grout that goes in between, but you'll definitely see that. And then underneath here, you can see this is the wall I've done most recently. So just leaving the spaces in just whilst it sets overnight. But yeah, that's really, really good. Still got a little bit to do that gap there. And then with this bit here, so obviously I was tiling over an open gap like that. So I just put nails in there just to support it overnight once it sets. So yeah, so just this little bit here to do tomorrow, a little bit underneath there. And then yeah, then it'll be time for the white grouting and then a good clean up, and then it'll look fantastic. And there we have it, the grouting is 99% of the way there. You can see the tiles just looking really, really good. They look completely different now the grouting's in. The corner, the beading strip is on, all the way around here, around the sockets. As you notice, there's that tile there. That's just waiting for I had to re-cement that, and then there's a few tiles underneath there. Just where the sub wall was just that dry with the old plaster. That tile cement just didn't work, so I had to put some Evo stick, like a bonding glue on there. And as you can notice as well, also all the cupboard doors are back on, so I'm really happy with them. So yeah, shout out my sister and partner for painting all those, sanding and painting them for me. And these ones down here. So overall, the kitchen looks completely different, doesn't it really? I really like the contrast between the sage green and the black, and this sort of like cream colour on the cupboards. So yeah, 99% of the way there with tiling. Just probably like another half an hour job, just grouting the rest of the tiles, and then it'll be done. So that is it for episode 5 of my Bought Unseen series. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and overall I hope you're enjoying the series, and I hope you're learning lots of things about DIY, and I hope you're having a laugh along the way. I just wanted to end this video by saying a big thanks to all the new viewers and subscribers to the channel, you know, in the past month or so. You know, all that support, it really means a lot to me. And if you're watching this episode for the first time and you're not already subscribed, make sure you do so. I had a quick look and I think it's roughly 2/3 of the viewers aren't subscribed to the channel at the moment, so if that's one of you, make sure you subscribe. Alright guys, have a good day, I'll see you next time.